What's up? What it do? What it do? What it do? My name is Alethea. For those of you that are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you'll be notified every time I come back in with my new shenanigans. So in this video, I am going to do my eyes and talk about the brushes that I use to do my eyes, because I was asked about the brushes that I use to do my eyes. So I'm trying to go through and see the videos that I've been requested to do and get those videos out to you all. And so with that being said, if there is anything that you want me to do on my channel, then please do let me know. I won't know if you don't tell me. So yeah, just please do let me know. And so if you would like to see how I created this eye look and the brushes that I used, then please continue to watch. To do this look, I'm going to use products from the crayon case. I have the Watch Me Blush palette and then the Box of Crayons palette. So this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you my makeup brushes. When it comes to my eyes, I am pretty much basic. I like the same brushes, and these, I have 3 Sonia Kashuk brushes that I love and that I use no matter what. And I can't find these brushes anywhere, and so I just wash them and use them again. I have a plethora of makeup brushes, and I am going to show you all one day the makeup brushes that I do have. But like I said, I have a plethora of them, but there are only a few that I like to use on a consistent basis. Now that I've primed my eyes, I want to go in with my crease color, and for my crease I'm going to use this pink right here. I hope it's dark enough. I wanted something a little bit darker. And so with my brushes that I usually use for my crease, I have these 3 brushes right here, and they're all Sonia Kashuk brushes. Now this one I typically use, I use this for my brow bone highlight. And then this one right here, I use it in my crease, as well as this one. This one is a little bit fluffier than these, but these are just like crease shader brushes. These brushes don't have a name or a number on them, but you can find these type of brushes in any brand to be able to use in your crease. So I'm going to take the fluffier one and just pick up some of this pink and go in my crease. And I'm just building this color up, taking a little bit at a time to do this till I get it to the opaqueness, so to speak, that I want. And then I'm just gonna take this up, not all the way to my brow bone, but just up just a little bit. All right, so for my brow bone, if I don't highlight, and I don't plan on highlighting today, but if I don't highlight, I just take some of my mineralized skin finish from MAC, and I have medium golden, and I just take a little bit of this and I go just to set the concealer that I used from carving out my brow. Right, that's it. And I just do it on both sides because I am not going to put a brow bone highlight on today. And even if I do put a brow bone highlight, sometimes I still do this. And then once I do that, I just go back in just to make sure I have that color the way I want it, not adding anything else to the brush. All right, so today I'm not trying to cut a crease or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is just take, so I'm just gonna take this brush right here, and it's eye brush number 9, and this is from Sedona Lace. And this right here is just like a crease brush. So what I'm going to do is take this deep plum color right here, and I'm just gonna put this over here in the corner of my eyes. Now I'll use this in my crease or in the corner of my eyes, and today I'm gonna use it in the corner of my eyes. I'm not gonna go up that far, just a little bit, not too much. Now because I don't want to take that color all the way into my crease, I'm going to go back with a little bit of that pink and just blend these two together here, just to go a little bit here, because I don't want this color to go into my crease all the way. All right, so next, and I know a lot of people, if you've bought an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, some people have a tendency to take these brushes right here and throw them out. They come in a lot of the palettes, but I don't throw them out. When I first started buying the palettes, I did throw them out, but then I learned I love these brushes. So this brush right here, the flat tip of it, see if I can focus, this side of it, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to place the color in the center of my eye. So what am I going to do in the center of my eye? I want to take this magenta and go into the center of my eye. Now I'm going to make sure I overlap these two colors to blend them in together. So then next I want to take this violet color. I probably should have did this one before the magenta, but I'm going to go ahead and take the violet color, and I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just going to put this violet color right next to the magenta. Probably should have put the violet before the magenta. As a matter of fact, I like the violet better than, the magenta is taking over the violet, so I'm just gonna go over the violet with the magenta. Just blend that together because that's taking over. I put them in the wrong order, but that's okay. So now I just change it to purple. Give that middle part a little bit of sparkle. All right, so then next what I'm going to do is take this yellow and I'm going to use the other side to this brush and put the yellow in the corner of my eye. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this red color right here and just kind of go in my crease with the red with the other end of this brush and just go here. This red has some fallout. Now let's just go back in with the pink and make it seamless. Okay, so I need that yellow to stand out. So I'm going to take my Trophy Wife liner from Fenty and just go over here, over this gold. This yellow rather. Give it a little sparkle. So I think I have a purple liner. Let me see if I have a purple liner. So this is close enough. I have $19.99. It's by Urban Decay. That's where most of my liners are from, Urban Decay. Let's line this bad, baby. That's gonna have to be good enough. It's not. No, here's a purple. Voodoo. Okay, let's try this one because that one didn't do anything. So when I put liner on my waterline and then I go back in with a liner, I use like a pencil type of brush. Now I recently got this one, but I have several pencil type of brushes. So what I'm going to do is use this purple right here, and I'm going to use this baby blue on my bottom waterline. I'm going to take this purple in the corner, the outer corner rather. And then I'm going to go in the inner corner with the baby blue. And then let's see, tear duct highlight. I'm just going to use the silver right here for the tear duct highlight. And so that is pretty much it as far as my brushes that I use for my eyes, with the exception of I use like this dome eyeshadow brush, and this one is just from e.l.f., but I will use these to just pack color on my lid. So I like this type of brush as well. And then I didn't use it this time. It's kind of dirty, but this is a concealer brush, and it's just one of these little flat brushes right here, and I don't use it to put concealer on my, like under my eyes, but I will use it to put concealer on my lid when I'm trying to do a cut crease, when I do a cut crease. Alright y'all, so here is the completed look. I do hope this video was helpful to you all that wanted to know more about eye brushes, as well as to those of you that did ask me about eye brushes. I also want to show you another eye brush, and this one is a Sedona Lace, and it's eye brush number 15, EB15, and this one is one that I just use in the crease as well. So if you find a brush like this, it's almost like a pencil brush but not as small, and has like a little dome shape. So this one is good for putting colors in your crease as well. And oh, for the eyebrows, just in case you want to know about the eyebrows, this brush right here comes from the crayon case, and it's the number 2 brush. It is the brush I use to conceal my eyebrows. Now it does have concealer on there, so it's not clean, but all the brushes that I use to do my eyebrows are shaped just like this. I had a rounded brush that I tried to use, but the round brushes just don't work for me, so this is what works for me. And this type of brush rather is what works for me, and this is what I'll continue to use. So as far as the eye brushes go, like I said, that is it when it comes to the eye brushes. And I do want to get some more that look like what I have. And in another video, if you want me to, let me know. Thumbs up if you want me to show you all the brushes that I have, because like I said, I have a plethora of brushes and some I don't even use. So, and I've given away some brushes and some brushes I haven't given away, so it is what it is. I had some that a friend gave me, so I just have a lot of brushes. So with that being said, that is it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And so until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.